I think this is the perfect place to review our camping gear for 2023. Can you see the smile on my face? I'm generally excited about this video.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain here today on behalf of Santos Creative Network, bringing you another product review. And in today's video, we're going to review my camping gear for 2023. So if an awesome night's sleep and being light on your feet sounds right up your alley, don't forget to stay up until the very end. In the meantime, ladies and gentlemen, this video is for subscribed devices only.
And if you think I'm creative enough to get paid for being me,
this is your captain bringing you the end of today's intermission. Kick back and relax.
the backpack I've been using for the last 4 years is the Amazon Basics 55 liter. I think my backpack just had a baby. I just removed this from my back. We're never gonna talk about this again. I love this backpack, ladies and gentlemen. It's been with me for years, and I can honestly say it's Santos proof. On top of that, it's got loads of pockets, which we will eventually get around to. But first,
the yoga mat, look at it.
The first thing we're going to talk about is my yoga mat, which is the base of my sleeping system. I'm not too sure what Decathlon calls this yoga mat, but we're going to call this Decathlon's Travel Yoga Mat. And check how small this thing rolls up to. I really like this. This is the most portable yoga mat I've ever had. And I picked it up for 15 euros secondhand online. One of the best purchases I've made this year. I love these guys. They bring innovation at a fair price. Like I said, the base of my sleeping system is my yoga mat. Now, the thing I like the most about this yoga mat is how portable it is, obviously. But secondly, that it allows me to fit entirely in the yoga mat. Like, guys, I'm 6'2". I was really happy when I bought this yoga mat and realized that I could sleep here. So, should we proceed with our review? The second thing on my list that is a part of my sleeping setup is my inflatable structure. I read what was here, but I was thinking inflatable mattress. Anyway, this one is also really good because I can fit in here. This is made for people who are 6'2". When you go to Decathlon, if you are interested in the 700 Ultra Compact Inflating Mattress, they have the size right here, and this is the measurement that you're looking for. It takes longer taking it out of the bag than inflating it, trust me. So this has got 2 valves, an in and an out. We always want to make sure the out valve is closed, and essentially I just want to open this, stretch it out, and start blowing. That didn't sound right, but that's what it is. And I wish I quit smoking 5 years ago. This is pretty good. The mat is filled, but it's not like overly filled, you know what I mean? I will lay down and I will sink in here. I'm actually laying down the other way around. This is the feet area. This is the place where you rest your head. You got these things here which allow you not to slide. All of us at some point have slid from our inflatable mattresses, so I think this is a really nice touch by Decathlon. Forgot how amazing this was because I haven't used this in a long time. As you can see, both the yoga mat and the air mattress are for people who are 6'2". So this is the most adequate setup I've had for myself ever. And this is the jungle bag, I believe. Yeah, this is the jungle bag, guys. I reviewed this item here on the channel before, and the video came out looking a lot darker than my future. If you guys are still interested in knowing a little bit more about this product, this I can review in detail if you'd like, but today we're going to talk about it a little bit anyway. So this product comes in a compactable bag, which is really nice. Once you pack it in here, you can literally just pull these straps and it becomes super tiny. Look at this, it is amazing. I like this because it makes it super easy to carry regardless of your backpack choice. You can just slap it in there somehow. This is what the bivvy looks like, at least right now. Now this is a sleeping bag that comes with a mosquito net. I've had some issues here with the zippers, so I eventually got my own zipper, and now that I did that, this thing works like a charm. And this is what the bivvy looks like when it's unfolded. It is a little bit wrinkly, but in 99% of your adventures, this is what it's gonna look like. I had some really warm nights in here. This is pretty toasty. And on top of that, it's got a net. So if it isn't raining, I don't need a tent, I don't need a tarp, I don't need anything, man. I need these three things in order to have an amazing night's sleep. I forgot to mention something which I bought on my last backpacking trip. Guys, this is an amazing pillow which I reviewed here on the channel, but this is not just any comfortable inflatable pillow. This is the most comfortable inflatable pillow I've ever tried. You put your head in here and your mind goes straight to heaven. Super easy to inflate. If you get the cover dirty, you can remove it, and then you're just left with a comfortable inflatable pillow. If you want to deflate, you just press this button and boom, you'll be done in seconds. And all you gotta do is just squish it in to this little pouch right here. So this would be the last item that I would add to my sleeping setup for a comfortable night's sleep. On top of that, it is the lightest setup I've ever carried. I can literally fold up all of the things that are in here into one pouch in my backpack, which gives me a lot of room to add on other things, which we're gonna explore now. I don't carry a lot of things, but the comforts I have are phenomenal. Okay, so right here, ladies and gentlemen, at the very bottom of my toilet, I have a microfiber towel, soap, I forgot the name, but you obviously know what this is. I've got cream that I squeezed out of the bottle so I could fit it in a smaller container. And I've got my travel toothbrush. That's pretty much all I have in the main container. I'm gonna try and face you guys because when I have conversations, I like to look at people. So you guys can get some more of this. Here on the front, I just have some extras. I've got toilet paper, I've got sun cream, I've got lube, I've got earplugs, and I have lip balm. Here we have my clothes. Let's start with this. Outside of the bag, I strapped a t-shirt. I was trying to make the most out of the space I had, and I had this little strap here doing nothing. Inside, we have short shorts, long shorts, short socks, long socks, a long t-shirt, and a jacket. On the outside layer, I use this, which is a jumpsuit. I'm gonna show you guys a picture so you can see what this looks like right now. Here in the back, I've got my solar panel, which I have reviewed here in the past. And this thing is amazing. I've got my power bank here in the back. This is the 10 milliamp hour version that Class made last year or 2 years ago, I believe. This is an awesome power bank, super rugged, and the only thing that has happened to it in my time of usage, this thing disconnected from the power bank, the cover, and now I gotta keep track of where it is. That's pretty much the only thing that has happened since I started using this power bank. Overall, it is a great piece of kit and I recommend it. And so is the solar panel. This one that I've got here is the bigger version that they made. I thought the smaller version wasn't enough to fit my needs, as I mentioned in the previous video. It's a little bit dirty because I took it camping in a really dusty place last time I used it, and it did the job. We had electricity. On the top of the backpack, I've got the rain cover, a plastic bag, and something to carry my bottle outside of the backpack if I want to. I've got my camping stove and a spork. On the other side, the same pocket, I've got some mounts for my GoPro. Here on the front, I've got a journal which is too big to carry on my person, so I carry it here. And the last thing on my backpack is a water bottle. I really like this water bottle because it allows me to keep my drinks fresh throughout the entire day, or warm depending on what season I'm in, really. But essentially it just allows me to maintain temperature really well. I've made a video about this water bottle, so if you want to hear that in detail, go check that out. That pretty much brings us to everything that I carry on my backpack. However, I still carry a lot of things on my person that are a part of my adventures. However, ladies and gentlemen, I believe this video is already long enough. So I'm gonna love you and leave you to have a rest of a wonderful day, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.